So we looked at a lot of precision here this week at Black Expo, but if you need to just use adhesive to stick parts, not necessarily in precise places, then I think I've got a solution for you. This is the test Zyger, correct? Can you just demonstrate how good this adhesive is?
I show you how this product works. This is not a super glue, this industrial glue. We have only one liquid where you can fix every kind of materials. You put the glue on one side, you have 20 minutes open time. You must not work fast like super glue. But in this liquid is oxygen, and if you press the two materials together, the oxygen goes out and the reaction starts immediately. It's the same like cold welding. And it's also flexible, it's not hard like super glue. The problem is super glue, you need different glues for different application. Here you have only one liquid. Metal, aluminium, steel, 2 or 3 small different points. If you not press the two materials together, you can move the position. You have 20 minutes time. First if you stop and you press it together, that's it. And too much glue around you can clean, and this is more than 195 kilograms strong per square centimeter.
Hold the mic, yeah.
No problem. Water, oil, chemical proof, and it's permanent. And you don't see the glue if you use it for some glasses, plexiglass. They stick also for the industry, lenses or anything, you don't see the glue.
Is this like magic? Am I going to buy one of these and when I get home it not work? Because
this works. We are more than 35 years on the market with this product. I show you interesting product to the glue is the filler. The filler you need if you have any gap, any hole between the materials. Everything who's flat, you need a glue alone. But if you miss some material, the glue alone cannot fill. And the filler, it's like a powder. You can fill up the hole, and off the filler you make a little spot from the glue. And when the glue and the filler comes together, the reaction starts immediately. 1 second later, it's new material, hard like aluminium. And then you can sand, you can paint, and after a few minutes hardening time, you can drill, like here.
So at home, domestically, I have the issues with the curtain poles where they sit. All the plaster comes out, and now I can fill that with this and re-drill.
And then you can drill, yes, no problem. And you can paint with every kind of colors. And if you have very small parts, sometimes you find the problem at the small plastics. So it's very easy, but 1 millimeter size, the surface is too small. And then you can work with the glue and the filler together. It's the same like welding. You make first the liquid one side, you press the two materials together, but for this solution you find no glue all over the world. This is too small, you see here. And then you put the filler around, and with the filler it's the same like welding. Other side the same, a little glue, a little filler, and too much of the filler. It's not a problem, you can sand, you can paint directly.
It's already fixed.
But you see this small plastic, and this time it's very strong and safe. If you break it a few minutes later, you break it in the material, but not on the glue. On the glue it's the same like welding. Also aluminium or steel, the same with the glue and the filler. And the shelf life after opening, super glue, you know the problem. A few months later it dries, and you need different glues for different material. Here you have a control, perfect for measuring with the long needle. You press on the bottle, air comes in and the glue goes down. And you're closing with this cap, and the shelf life is around 3.5 years after opening.
How much is this?
We have different sizes. 10 gram glue you can make around 200 spots. The price is the same the last years, is with the long needle 18. The double size of the glue, it's €5 more, 23, double size. And the filler, the lifetime is unlimited, and the price is €10. And so we have different sets here, like the small 18 and 10, together 28. And the double size of the glue is only €5 more, 33.
Just finally, and thank you very much for this demonstration. It's been superb. What have you got a website that people?
Yes, we have also a website. I can give you my card.
Okay, can you just maybe say the website address for the video?
Yes, that's not a problem. But you can make the website is a little bit longer. You can take also from the video a small picture. Here's the website, and there we have an online shop. We send all over the world in every sizes. 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, half kilogram, 1 kilogram.
A gripping story here. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Unbelievable.